Hey guys, I want to make a video on replacing the door handle on a Chevy Silverado. It's pretty simple. This truck is pretty clean. I just got a new front bumper. It looks really nice. It's okay. Let's get to it. Mine broke from the plastic on these bolts. So you just take these bolts off. They're 10 millimeter. There's a nut behind. And to unlock it without the door handle, you just pull down on this longer handle, push it down, and it will open. Okay, so I have the new ones right here. This is the new one with the lock, and this is the old one, and you can see it broke right there. Now we just gotta switch the lock over to this one. It has a little clip right here. You just pull it out and it should come off. And thankfully this little plastic thing is not broken, because we're gonna need that. But yeah, man, I got this on Amazon for like $11-12, pretty cheap. I've also replaced the back tailgate handle right here because it was broken, and yeah, it's looking nice, man. I like the truck a lot. All right, I'm gonna replace this and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this door panel. So first we remove this cover, and it has a T20 behind it. Yeah, it's a T20 right here. Then we're gonna pry this open. Pull this from this side and it pops right out. You got 10 millimeter right here. I'm gonna take this cover off. Save all your bolts. You know, careful, you need this. Okay, has these little tabs in here. So I think that's everything. And you just pull it up. Then I'm gonna feel it. Blue, and there's your safety tab, I think. That's what. Okay, this is off now. Then it's pretty much free. There you have it. There's a bunch of clips behind there. So let me set this down. Now we can replace the door handle properly. So we have, can't even see it, bro. You cannot even see it. Okay, I can see one here. And then there's another one on this side, which I can't see. Maybe in here. Okay guys, so after many tries, I figured it out. It goes in like that. You see that? This is how it goes. So that tab goes in there. sure this is pressed in. So that is how it goes. Put it in. That down. Push that in. This should work. That's how it looks on the inside. Okay guys, so we're almost done here. We got this little thing. Let's just make sure it does close. Pretty sure it does. So there we have it, working handle. Hope this video helped. See you guys on the next one. Subscribe. Truck is looking mad clean.